Hey, this is Rick with Social Good Software, and this short demo I'm going to be sharing with you how to add custom CSS and JavaScript to an existing calendar. So by this point you should have a calendar created, and what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be adding a little bit of JavaScript and CSS to our calendar. So why might you want to add JavaScript and CSS to your calendar? Well, one reason might be is if you want to add more functionality to the calendar that we simply don't support. So this is a great way for you to be able to extend the calendar to meet the requirements of your organization. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go head over to Calendar Builder. I'm going to work on my field trip calendar that we're working on last time. And then what I want to do here is I want to head over to Settings. And then I want to scroll all the way down here. And then here you find a section called Custom CSS and JavaScript. So you can customize the look and feel of your calendar with custom CSS and JavaScript. And then if you need any help writing any of this code, you're more than welcome to reach out to us by clicking this link. So what we're going to do here is we're going to be adding a little bit of CSS and JavaScript. So I'm going to head over here and click on CSS. Now, I just happen to have my CSS code already written. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this CSS code, paste it into here. And then we're going to go ahead and add some JavaScript as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on JavaScript, and I'm going to enter my JavaScript here. So like I said before, I have some JavaScript written already. So I'm just going to copy this and paste that in there. Click Save. Now I'm going to scroll all the way to the top, and I'm going to click on Preview. And then you'll see here that the checkboxes went ahead and moved to the right. And if we go down to a mobile device, so let's go down to Share, Preview Calendar, and then we're going to go down into a mobile device. So here we go. And if we scroll down, here are the checkboxes in a mobile device. So again, the JavaScript is just moving the calendar to the left and putting the checkboxes on the right. So that's how easy it is for you to be able to add in CSS and JavaScript. But if for whatever reason you don't want to have that CSS and JavaScript, you can always go back into here to Settings, click on CSS, remove this, and then remove that. And then if we refresh this preview, you'll see we're back to our original calendar. So again, it's just a quick, handy way for you to be able to go into here and add in a custom CSS and JavaScript to your calendar. So I'm just going to add it back in, and I'm going to do the same thing for the JavaScript. There we go. And if we preview it one more time, so there we are. The checkboxes now are on the right. So that's how easy it is for you to go in there and add in any custom CSS or JavaScript into the calendar. So that's going to go ahead and do it here for me. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're always more than happy to help, and I look forward to talking to you soon.